one announced abolition of five taxes. And then one announced the abolition of New Patriotic Party. Because New Patriotic Party is synonymous to taxes. Yentie Richard Champon.
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much for the opportunity to comment on the statement made by the Finance Minister. Mr. Speaker, I heard my honorable member say that a lot of items, a lot of issues are missing in the report. But, honorable member, sit down and listen to me before you leave. Mr. Speaker, the honorable member failed to tell this out that Bible quotations are also missing in the budget.
Okay, it was also we said I don't know abolish MPP. Abna Osayasari and so etiwa a question. No bazika don't go mrano kasase. Mostly you are not borrowing there. Bia is here Richard Champon. Abna's former deputy minister of finance say, if you are not borrowing, what is the $700 million from the IMF and $600 million from the World Bank in your budget? Is it free money? Yente Abna Osayasari.
That we are not going to borrow, but yet in your budget you have $700 million coming from IMF and $600 million coming from the World Bank. What is that? Is that free money or is that your own money in US dollars? I always tell people that the devil is in the detail. Always look in the appendices and then you find what they mean by that. Mr. Speaker, again, in 2016, this government increased their debt from 2009 to 2016 by 20 billion. And what did this result in? It resulted in a dip in the GDP by 8.8 billion Ghana cedis.
Anope Yera Finance Minister Dr. Kesel Atuforsen is assuring Ghanaians that the government is doing everything within its purview to ensure that the Ghana city remains strong and resilient. And there are some NOKC so yente Ato Kesel Forsen.
March 14, 2025. Right, Honorable Speaker, as of March 14, 2025, the Ghana cedi exchange rate, Ghana cedi and dollar exchange rate was 15 cedis, 53 pesos to a dollar, and the cedi has depreciated by 5.3% against the US dollar. Mr. Speaker, this compared to 5.7% over the same period in the year 2024, when the cedi dollar exchange rate was 12.6 to the dollar. Mr. Speaker, last year the same period, the Ghana cedi has depreciated by 5.7 as against the same period 5.3 this year.
Okay. Now, Deputy Finance Minister and also catch Ghana for say we have a responsibility to let Ghanaians know the true state of the economy. Brazil aside claims from critics that painting a sorry picture of Ghana's economy could hurt investor confidence. Or say, it was a Ghana for who know a memory in your mind, baby, I could do. One more can say, you could painting a gloomy picture. As your minor say, economy now say now, investor confidence could be derailed, you know, or see a crack.
Another worrying statement that the former finance minister made is that why have we put all these figures out there and international communities and so what? Did you expect us to lie about, I'm using lie again. Did you expect us to misrepresent data because international community is listening? No. We had the responsibility to let Ghanaians know the true state of the economy so that we can carry everybody along in the attempt to reset the economy.
Okay. Stephen Amoa nhyia so mrahye bedwani na wono so sorry was say wo hye NDC for pa atro ne kwan omoye propaganda e wo say dissolve NDC sticker yentie no.
The fact is NDC has to be dissolved. You have to be dissolved. It's not about numbers. You have to be dissolved because we are talking about quality numbers. See, our numbers are small, but quality, minority. We are speaking for this. I respect the arm said, but I'll tell them out today.
Anope yane dankanambo abetwetwe nkomo ba me mama bejafo akwaba yaw once again you are welcome me gidi so bia ho ye yes me hu se wo tietie audio su bia amanfo ye ibade no de ebedi nkomo no wachire
mpompo nsuo se o mo ache no pe
meje no so
otufo mpompo nsuo
sentiment mpompo nsuo
se o mo ache
nana meje no so dodo
so te wo nkache
nana obehume nana obehume enche bia
ya mano nte wo nka no hu so nti so ache wa no pe
therefore ada ma meba ade we ya amode ahase a speaker ama 3 days deputy speaker LI 2462 obeka se metra ha kan say it is on the way eno na forest omuko ye you know now they've given them 3-day pre-laying consultation omunko di hu nkomo first deputy speaker here for eno omde beto na ni wo se omfa nansa enko di hu nkomo na omunye bia na ombe lay they don't want a situation that they will come and lay it in parliament na bibia be he say ya twa sign ya de no ombe so omuye sa de no mame mo aban na baso especially environment minister Dr. Mutala sadie we na na wo se nka attorney general yes amanfo ye se onkole onfa nko parliament na ginapo munye nhese no monkoye na nka ye nyimfiri wa omo twetwe wo mo ho a MDC for so den tokwa hia wo mo a yentimi and take away LI 2462 ankofo a good forest mo say yesu ansu I'm happy it do maybe a change of government so far so oni bi nie ko aban ote wo no nye ya oba ye no ono wo panim oni panim to obey age fans and I don't know obribo ahenka asembi say o mampani John Dramani Mahama na ma wa shase etu all his decisions are political in as much as it is to be in lieu to the benefit of Ghanaians, you know, it's highly political na obona baso pass watch say we matured na be before we now my papa no cause Adam say na mbachi na na somebody
say on say aba e kona no man ha bia on say e kono e bia na wakoye mfonso bi eno na mutimi expect
papa no baby a wogina no they just said your mama and just obey from so
and they say I said the friend to one of I say
your mama strategically and near my your budget no near my no we MPP near Bobon to Chrome but as I see $1 about 15 say 3 as a 15.4 then I'm 15.9 petrol from 15 cities about 14.17 say e wo mu ana say omutimi ma petrol ba 10 also adai
I was say gas no crowd I must say ntoko ba ko say gas so omuti so but this reduction with the gas can ba say no na reflect ya man for bi eno na ade na
Ghana for it because a lot of people use gas
because na ente so na ba mienu ni nyina edikan no na ko petrol any diesel third one year ba enra ne nansen and I say enya impact
CD no why na ye don kanamo antwetwe nkomo let's get the CD exchange and then the petrol especially petrol
petrol reduction
no mo fan to TV no so na ye ni unkomo because Ghana ha one commodity ho eba sem a affect livelihood petrol.
Also before that weekend there was speculation said there will be increase in fares.
Lorry fares.
And then they say Drivers Alliance for no. And a GPR2 for about knock womo.
As a way no bar bontin so be a money reduction in Sama or more.
Oh, say GPR2 cast or more happening into movies so I am
where Goil new prices.
Goil new price Tuesday 18th March as at 6 a.m. Super 14.99. Diesel. There you say previously say
15 cedis, 60 pesos, 65 pesos per liter.
So it tells you say almost
70
pesos a free so. Now it's huge.
Yeah.
Super XP 95 on the omo beto no beto. The super so hard gina. Super hard gina. Daily exchange rates. We no
Bank of Ghana.
as a Bank of Ghana de omo de buy no. Na dollar e 15.5 322. O koto so a or ton a 15.5478. But ya na we no. Yeah, nkwa ha mo.
We know yeah.
Yeah,
White market.
Yeah, the black for no the di komo. Enti me say mo check black market ne ma me. Oh, be sure. Wo mo no mo because adwadifo no dodo na no. Sika ro ko bank na wo nya bi.
Sadia no say a minister of finance timi etwa abasia no because of mine Emma say wonka se ha na ye nkoto na re sa price we abeto abonte no na nso be ko ho no nya bi nto ha na be ko black market na ho de say himfa na ye ton dollars no ho na this can free bank no e ko black market na black market nko amokra mega say oboko ya wo hu sika kese bia ho sa o ko omo ho shop ho na enya de say wo hu sika no kuku say buraburu sika no go bank na so unfortunately no bank no ntima ye hu no kwa wo mo say no ma sa refer mpani for refer say ko black market. I said there is a link between black market and some managers be our banks in Myanmar government fight against this forex no maybe as a ban the same ya want to know say omo hwe hu yenya sa on the paper there on the face of the print sheet we say this is the figure but about come form no na entesa basa na e be ha adwinti no minister no mo de na we no enye say e de da ho a mo fo we say we na da ho ye nya black market
about black market yaw Osisi o baba 16.
Oh baba
16. There's a baba 16.2.
Me kuta cedis na me baba je dollars a.
O kuta cedis be je dollar 16.2.
Na me kuta dollar na me.
Na o kuta dollar na sa o be 16.
Okay.
Eti won o Bank of Ghana dey we are. On the face value no. One we have a cast swati. But almost adwadifo no. Almost how no mo je no dodo.
Argentina sa black market for money we mu de nya pe.
Like because Asante, the problem is the demand and supply.
What is the demand?
The demand is in this match. Ebi asambre you know. On adwadifo no radar no ebi omo kra nema. Sambre we na multinationals repatriate omusika first quarter ekwawie yaw MTN for ne wanwanom ne omo ye you know first quarter of the year eduti na ya man for kase the Bank of Ghana any omo ntrase mo ntam omo profit no boom enko because ono only Ghana city ewo South Africa. South Africa president so when you sika wo ahana MTN ye dey command
I say the rand no on
rand asem dollar no ubetimi ni o maka say they should repatriate their profit in installments in tranches ebia or the 2 billion dollars and echo Bank of Ghana should provide for them.
So no e be more bia
500 million in 2 months they can renegotiate with them. It do somewhere companies a good time ahonoma omo ye multinationals ya de no. Somewhere first quarter no omo de omo repatriate omo profits. E basa somewhere we no dollar no kra hoden wom. And it me shoot to 17 wan no. Abeye perinia time no nya so a quarterly first March kono ubusa market la
come and Ghana city ni holding pa
oh I can tell you say
because edu September December so afemu so mi
so e was aban no pen puma sibre na wotimi nya shocks bi a edu honoma sa gold issue on the metro gold board ya ebe at the end of the day it is expected say enka gold etimi free Ghana or something for code Dubai ko suye say almost I export to 2 billion almost share Dubai have about $8 billion of gold na abedu ha ne free ne buy e individuals be e be small gold no neate abai no de na oye na ko wie say asante sa gold board no o man hwe ni yesu so a small scale miners bebre enton mu gold ma o
araba fan
oh what's
cocoa board you can tell the cocoa board kwa brocha dan from cocoa board
daddy
enti se pasa na tie o my
product Côte d'Ivoire so
tie o my e pasa no
Côte d'Ivoire
she ma men ka
say when the price difference
the person they can say see a buying person will take charge of gold in Ghana same you individuals have invested just like Abia cocoa for investing but pricing so man ye asante if semeto international market gold price increase here could be a ton of gold 100 million now also my mom is 60
oh say no there
and now my mom is 70
that will leave
oh say I was so mutumi your price in it such because I buy na almost $280 million
for the
Ghana for sika say for gold board eti se so am fa so na fe gold no munya and a gold no so no it is supposed to come and show our city because I buy it to that enough gold I was see city no hoyete maybe who say in the end that gold board should be able to stabilize our currency
any part of Ghana
people are entertaining fears say gold board no we enko we ase na akoye cocoa board
oya o ma sia hu ni ye dia say am for na me because o ma
Ghana for also na ehe so
o ma on the face of the enke policy
yes but the human factor
because o ma he so ko ba say Abia where market 1 ounce ounce dollar Abia 1 cedi na Ghana so betimi aton bia 1 cedi you betting a yam another countries crowd betting you with a Ghana crowd gold
very good you can have maybe a Nigerian wanting to sell his gold to Ghana board yes so price no should be something price fixing no always strategic na area si nyina no akoba say Ghana for Ghana gold board
we got the whole world
na Côte d'Ivoire need fee say Oberton the gold or Ghana
very good price
good price now you very competitive and yes gold board ababe we no na ekwa koye ayi nipa bi na ye gold board na no mbedidi ana no abrante bi ka say omu we no mama gold board amedane Japan
oh yes
another way of defining gold no say adwene ye papa enye Japan but adwene ye papa Japan in disguise
yes so
Japan in disguise so they should put people's fears they should allay fears time up for enya utoso because small scale miner no right now oba be share gold board as here on to turn the gold only to be built so nobody decide be build the gold be fine you say Ghana gold board which is good but your idea back also was Ghana ye near me ye Ghana gold refinery o say Arab phobi be omo pani abede che ko bia no but your back to Ghana you say I was here Timenya gold refinery oboase takwa any those areas say you gold refinery ayaw ye gold na ya refinery ye ko Dubai koto chains no me ade be go aton whilst we have the gold come on
I want the impact in the ebe kakra nsa na ya fi no say enye product here ni buburo no owo form no like itiminya direct touch with it
okay.
So a certain class in society na ebetima toss our gold necklace gold earrings, gold watches ne saa nneɛma nneɛma no nti ebia ebe take time ansana yɛhu impact no wɔ economy no ho but akota nkɔmɔ yɛ di nyinaa de ɛba mitirim ɛyɛ sɛ so ɔbɛka yɛ Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ka asɛm bi with the introduction of Bank of Ghana for starting gold for gold say Bank of Ghana nya gold be in their reserves instead of say keep it dollar ne pounds ne saa nneɛma no ye exchange no in a form of gold na say gold no kra ye bi a ye de bi akɔje gold for oil bi or the buy no it means say both MPP ni NDC aba abegyina ba bi fa akɔ ebra so say Ghana your reserves ni kwan say $1 bio you only a gold no yes abrofu sika no wan na ekobo no go uko yuka queen no ene ken no
a gold reserve pound sterling more deal
say oh my and no dey born more pound no chidom uko America also gold ni sa na no a they don't keep
China gold yes omun to 5% China gold
yes
owo gold China Ghana bam owo tufa si ama China fo eni kitikiti abegu ha say ye fudie na ye gold
yes this is a pointer MPP ni NDC nyina na say gradually o magine ya ye baako on this gold ade ye ntena se na ye mfa nkrata ento eye enema ho ni ye nhise ni ye so hu na yankwa ye tira ye nya bi with cocoa board wa ye ka ho asemi se cocoa board timi to cocoa a ya toto no a enso to odwama so no cocoa board betima kwa akoto abeka kire Ghana for say ye koye ne aboka na the following year ye kwa ko sika de akwa akoto cocoa a agese ye ko bosia
ya wo sem say hwe enigi a party and our government
no
say wakoje syndicated cocoa loan
aye de kwa akoto cocoa ni eni agi ye ho se ye koye ne nya bosia
all because yeah, they about the share dollar no why the knee-jerk reaction of our stabilizing the city. It's all the time now, baby, any that syndicated cocoa loans.
Ghana nkwana
we are funny.
Aban bi adwuma enye but say adwuma na aban bi na anye no ma private person bi nko bi hwe cocoa board asema ye ken o say our private company so mututu olam omo ya kwa abajaro ese wu ba ku bi wasanta say very popular pa omo nyina etuto cocoa ni bi omo tuto cocoa no omo ni cocoa board for na etuto no ma cocoa board kra no eto no dodo
ananya omo e madai
omo de
a lot of the company apart from ajaro mu abi omo international no local ones no ko omo tuto omo cocoa board
na omo nyina to ajaro Ghana government
it ono no to no akwakoton dia ma no akwakoton wa moka wo ba cocoa board nko akoko ye bia ye nya kapra mfirim enti ye afeso ye no a ye kwa akoto cocoa foforo no agese ye kwa kopa
now they've left 32 billion
overhead cost management
no idea be over
me see management egun kan ho no ombusu nya keti omoje no amajaro odi awon ya dia prem for on for this kind of and that is our problem
check some for na o kan once no
omo sala ya koko amajaro ye tu omo ka papa koko piachi for no ke asante ba be ya de teme koko industry no ya we minu akumai also wo koko ayi wo bank no ni mi din komo ya sika cocoa industry no a check gold mine no unim say sisia no o ma to gold no o ma to cocoa no go ho cocoa ya 3000 say
as a 35
3005 as a 3003 they are waiting for the new price it wo was capa no bo invested 10 billion
atoto cocoa na go
cocoa no obi di 20 billion ato cocoa na go ho enti Eriko Pokus utimane
warehouse no ndikogu
yawe Eriko Pokus pe won pe o na no akoyi nika enti ontimi ama announce they are waiting for the cocoa season
yes
Eric ntimi announce say omo
anti omo dey ten say be say omo ewiase bae no cocoa nkwa ni product ente so da
mo afi
enti wunim
say ya ntumi kwa no dey
omo ma to cocoa no omo twen sesia no they are waiting for about 5,000 or more.
Yes.
It's you imagine say otokoko bottle be at 3,000. o de bottle back
35 million
35 million na aban no ba na so 6,000 no a baako bia obenya se
so 4,000 crore more ka
o de fancy wa na so 5,000 baako bia 1,500 or so eti o be 500 bucks multiplier otifie the investment and the thing amount for you cocoa beans mu a and the omunye sika no and this cocoa board to be cast waboka chrono anything I send a course into the gold board. They should establish a gold board, and after 5 years, after 10 years, yes, Ghana gold board the car.
My dear, I never come here about Ghana for and say they should be very transparent. You should quite tell your man. The because to be a
I'm to say ECG. Easy Ghana Kwan electricity. Nipe gusu so say e ka wom.
All because state institutions need to library.
Ye ni anu na VIP. Yaw. VIP.
Yes.
Omo to bet the STC atoto VIP. Any ayi.
Na VIP.
Ba pe owo asafu yi.
Oye. Aban die egu. Meanwhile, the private
VIP
die na okoko bie no.
The vibrancy of VIP you cannot. That's why me mean you apeni ayi ato. Any ayi adakabremo. VIP ayi eja wiase no. Any Japan any Alhaji Sulemo Masa Atomo. I'm telling you, I can call them say they are not the elected men.
Transport business, yeah.
They are eja wiase in school level Masato. But these are men money VIP.
Yeah, my
SCC
in 2017 another ma $10 million.
Yes,
the point is that most of these companies in the private ones are okay. Direct cash and
they go with loans.
So what the more maybe
that's how to say money cow bank.
Yes.
It didn't come up cow bank top buses back 18 billion. 20 billion within 2 years of empty cars have to be
then I had $10 million
on my comprehensive insurance.
Yes.
What is a VIP now we are the late or chem the 2MS what do you how vibrant na economy
the 2MS even though some you nyamia ato suffer but 2MS say yes yeah chi aban adwuma and Ghana your mentality Adea Akye Abia bia me kan ya me se Kwame Nkrumah moa Sasem no gina polo grounds kan we need to change our minds, we need to change our mentality
about it.
Yes, there should be a Asante is not choice. Proper orientation.
And yet, na also be there. Said you what? Na nyasa na mo kata.
Adanti boy.
Na nyasa na. Yesi kwesi broni adwuma. Bi wa mind adwuma. Kwesi broni adwuma. O want say asa maybe.
Asante shade.
Yesi kwesi broni adwuma nya bia.
Asante. The orientation. The Ghanaian orientation. The civil servant fee say e ya ban adwuma nya ne dia.
Ya ban adwuma nya me dia.
Civil servant. Eti okwa adwuma otumi kwa year Friday, Monday oba, Tuesday obeba adwuma so e bia be 10 11. By Friday or sakwa another year.
Thursday
by 12 no ma
ben January to here.
Abedjuma.
Yawe. Asante.
Never going to be pam.
Hello. Madima. The manager himself. The orientation you poor. How do you
expect
on no baba say obi? It is our mentality. Yahweh, the modernization of the capital. The modernization of the capital. Jake, the late Jake Otanko Bitibilante, and the blueprint to her. Her class is here. Who can say Jake for a ministry? And Jake Ledano. The modernization of the Accra city.
Yes.
When they designed NDC back 2008, Oman Twanchene, they work with it. High-rise buildings are almost started so we see one kind. Accra would to go see a dime be 4-bedroom short no. Who the opa see Accra? It was thought through, deliberate. Say yes, the city Accra. Jake former a friend say Otanko Bechibilante. And that blueprint has been there to now. Papa Yana, Mayor about you say. Okovanda Pobe, what you my papa? Shakra. Kumasi here will be you, Hasa. It was a Kumasi, I tata.
Gradually, a real Kumasi. There's this thing now. Nyankopon cha
the
new buildings
no. Otumfo met the regional minister government appointees this week. Monday no oni omusia
say modernize
the traditional council no and if mepe the real name na e dey I start akonta odi one dance last week me no for airport e hu bibi
the airport city now
bibi Kumasi said na city kane no be 2 years ago and 3 years ago no akota odi hu dance here say it is gradually they are Santehene
yet be bibi
but the old cities no so old towns no
old town uko ya mekomu
asafu yenya asafu mfiri wo
asafu de enye ayo asafu structures no won to fantinu town no ne ade wan e way ahead cra continue say dey utwem na so
akuta say gradually o modernize
what was until udru ya interchange ni so ya to ne fantinu town
akuta no de modernize o mo papa no mo dine o mo papa no akuta ni kwa say free o ye o town ye fantinu town
no I know they are not saying yenye o but your baby o slums bi no ne ade no they should do something about it
akuta ye papa no mo dine de o say protect o papa ga pa de won ti ma hwe so ya unye ye o abrabomo Adea papa de ja no also to be protected by
omu bu no musia edum say omu bu no musia
gradually say your say edum ko mu dan bi o
omu design omu ye no ma ya eno no yawe
so kasa ho
yawe kasa ho
no no agoda iti dan de ye mu
abusafo
ya be fo kwa
ya dan ye ho abana Orlando
ndi say adwuma ne ye mo awo mu dan na wo be si asem no
we
what's at you the flow
and swatre game no ena entimi emma so Samson are the Blasters of Ghana omugusua hoboabo Friday World Cup qualified game against Chad no and also ene ehon sem bebre wa yebedi ho enkomo papa amanone nse no cinco etnasia ode ebewura Barcelona ne Liverpool camp na fenso ye hu nsem a efri ho ereba ye dan ye hu sima ne ya hyensem na se eriama edi ameje so ejekum Black Saint Junior betimi afremi Orlando. Well, yama yetefo a etie Sompa 93.1 akwaba ena fenso ya hefo a Sompa TV ene anope uremu ewo Facebook a na wabomode akọ o search engine nim no wa search Sompa 93.1 eho ena obo follow ya na fenso enoma ekoso ewo Sompa TV so nyina onso wetimi anya bia hwe ewo Facebook ne so na ena no pe ye hyensem na se e dey free the Blasters of Ghana. Preparations in Guswa Ekoso Endra day 2 training no and so Ekoso no mama ebra na Blasters every they say omo hotel ho edo Omanhene Yaw ewo Accra Sports Stadium no enti Blasters omo free omo hotel no ye hwe ekwa omo fa so free o yenya feeling ne kakra that will screen this so come on no one say Gideon Mensah and all the players and a brand new free they say omo hotel and Omanhene Yaw ewo Accra Sports Stadium near kwanya omo fa so arrive here ewo Accra Sports Stadium. Yes, Intino Blasters ena omoremo ewo Accra Sports Stadium na chese omokoye no training no section no etimi call so Jordan are you and so etimi attach it down wa join team no captain for the side na chese Endra enye Freddy Agrokra ewo training grounds and so na sisi a wonim say Ghana we no a project na ye say 2026 World Cup ekoso ewo ade say USA afen so Canada ene Mexico no enya de say Ghana ni bia epese ye mixing no ye legends no e de omo ho agimu omo hese Blasters ye betimi qualify na edi kan no Mame Asamoah ene Jordan Ayew yes Asamoah any Jordan Ayew no din kanfa what the face of Ghana Blasters Kudus obia ehewanim ebenfani agro o performance na o perform edema Western United no for some performance na ebra na make sure say wonso be wa afam de na yakwa World Cup na emfasoa edebe brow as a player and afen so as a footballer no edoso ye papa sanse Asamoah me call 2006 baya me call 2010 call 2014 World Cup no eboa me papa panti Asamoah enso ewramo ewo Accra Sports Stadium ene mrante ne kodi nkomo to omo fo mu nyina ehese Ghana ebetime secure qualification no enso na yenia openi Tony Bafo yes mame Tony Bafo nso ebra ono nso ewramo yes yentie Tony kakra yes enti eno Tony Bafo ena umu se ono so ene Alexander Duku mu jeje ho a omu ne omudi enkomo no na Mame Kamadin Kudus ena afen so Ernest Nyama omo picture no Mame sa picture no na yen hwa de kakra Kamadin ena afen so Kudus ene Ernest Nyama enkwada we no omanyo nkofa ne de e different level kra different level ntino omo ba Blasters camp no say ya na omo ko Europe nso a omo timi ko hyehyia na chese bibia ekoye na akonya na omo tim no ho nsem apie kakra unim say akonya we Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium enkonya ewo bench wono na empanyifo betebre free Kumasi e de akopiem wa Accra esanse Blasters ebebo match no enkonya na wa Accra Sports Stadium no bench wono enkonya na omo transfer no eno no CAF any FIFA engine to dress ye befa Kumasi de no e de ko Accra entino nanu akotoko boboy plastic chairs ni edicc ho e de ma o ma sansem no ye be ma mo enso na assistant coach John Peso Eden Sam Kakra enso atuja afa Blaster say sisi ade Friday massive support and a year animu e dey free Ghana for
supporters in say Omanhene especially our first home match in Chad Ombra match win game in some support we have to go Yamani then so World Cup buy in the World Cup brings a lot of opportunities. European doors will be investments ever independent money between wrestling and
Entino wemuno omo kasa say a legends no omo ye living testimony ono so no World Cup no wabobia ene oye assistant coach Edema Blasters of Ghana enso honma o say we no a must win Ghana for yentimi mfa match we enso eniagro ne we no na otuado nso de nsam kakra tudwa na onim say na say minister eno om coach na say otu start ne de enyo otuado a reply or say on believing in stars.
I think it's difficult sometimes to compare circumstances, especially if you have matches or if you have matches where you have a lot of injuries. And I know that statistics count, but for me it doesn't count too much. Each and every game is important, and we always try to do the best as we can. And I'm looking now forward to this match. I'm really looking forward to win, to also bring back a little bit more positivity and also the confidence to the players. And I think, I hope Chad is coming at the right time, and we will prepare the boys. And this is football. Sometimes you have ups, sometimes you have downs, but the most important thing is to learn out of the downs.
Entino otuno no na oden nsem eguo eriama Friday o jira dagout nim na wa hwese bibia ebekoye eriama the Blasters of Ghana away from Blasters in sensem no yetena se 9:30 ewo full time ne so aye the more enso ebetimi abraw na yenwemo ewo the Ghana Premier League no mame Ghana Premier League no na yɛmfa eni enkomo kakra enso ɛwɔ we week 20 outstanding matches ɛna ɛkɔ so enso ɛwɔ ɛnɛ uwura mu wɔ nchi a Young Apostles omuni Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛna ɛde bɛbɔ ni 3 p.m. ɛna game no ɛba so wɔ Summer Boy no Century Arena Samates omo trefie omuni Midiama ɛna ɛde ɛbɔ ni ɛna afense uwura mu ɛwɔ Bechema ɛde sɛ ɛwɔ nso no Nana Fosu Abo no Bechem United trefie ɛne Accra House of Folk ɛde ɛbɔ ni na match we no ɛho nsɛm a ɛpepie no ɛnyɛ fɛde agro Baseke Holy Stars omuni Gold Stars enso ɛde bɛbɔ ni Brekum Chelsea omuni ensuatre game no emma so esanse ensuatre for omusi league ayebo omatwe ho enso e de afrim Heart of Lions omo trefie any Dreams FC enso e de abo ni enafen so Nations FC enso ewo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex no omuni Aduana FC enso ena e de boy ni Legon Cities ene ebo 7 p.m. ewo University Sports Stadium eno ewo Legon eno so omuni Vision FC ena ede boy ni ena afin so edatena Accra Lions ene Karela United enso ebetimi ede aboy ni eno enso the Ghana Premier League no ehon sensem no ena yede ma no na Mami Kumasi Asante Kotoko mra mu wura mu wo wanchi no omo hotel ho no Mami kakra yes Asante Kotoko endra ewia no ena omo touch down ewo wanchi ena hu se bus no enso esi wo kama endra Asante Kotoko na security enso tight ye papa ebra oboko remti no abrante friend Emmanuel entry ena ewremo somewhat tinedu meka che say abrante na recover or join team no abrante no enso eno no na yewie no omuru amusa no ena coach Prosper Nate Ogum nsem kakra enso etimi etudwa coach Ogum kasafa Young Apostles game eba so yentie coach kakra.
Yeah, we are going there with a determined, confident, and winning mentality. That's what we're taking there. We believe that we are capable of playing very well. We are capable of staying very disciplined defensively. We are capable of unlocking their defense, create their chances, and score. So we are very determined, very confident, and we believe that we can create the chances and score.
Yes, and no, coach Prosper Nate Ogum, and the Sansamene at Tujaneri was as a coach, and then when 19 players a Prenadeko, a Mutre Crano, a junior players, Yenti and Sama coach a Kafahu.
Our happy as a technical staff as playing body. I'm sure the supporters are also happy. Management is also happy. And the suspensions and the injuries, and we are still able to compete to be at the top. It shows that there is a lot of commitment, a lot of dedication, a lot of self-belief in what we are doing. So we are all excited that even though in our predicament, we are still occupying the summit of the league.
Yes, and no, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum, head coach Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And he was a coach, Modia Mobas near Papa Quentin Moko, Summer Boy no 14 hours in and out, and I must spend the year. Travels no affected Asante Kotoko.
So in about 14 hours on the road, which is more than half a day. It makes the players very tired, physiologically and mentally. It makes them very tired. But then. That is the nature of our league. The distances, the roads are not good. The type of buses we all use here, as I've said before, are not sports-related buses. So sometimes the players become fatigued on board. Even though when they are going, we stop along the way for them to walk some few distances.
Yes, coach Prosper Nate Ogum na okra Kotoko basa utimi na usi and the Young Apostles money teams in Ketwa on bed or say buses na ye de come matches no ye kwan nye enti buses ne kra enye sports related buses enye bus yes enke de ye football na say de ma footballers I don't know hey coach na Kotoko bus Ukraine any house bus de there any house coach so be ka bi kakra na yenko coach o strikers goes in the eba na kwagina ni pamienu so abeta mo play abrantia ye friend no Kwabi Pokunkwa na ebo goals you and also o can say
conversation. I talk to the players about it. Post-training conversations, I talk to them about it. When I meet them one-on-one, you've been a witness to these things I'm talking about. And not that we only talk to them about it, we make sure that we talk to them, show them videos, and then train on it. And the
drills are coach Prosper Nateogun, and then the strikers, and so FM. Now, young apostles head coach Abdul Rahman Tijani, and so Eden Sam Kakratuja ahead of Asante Kotoko game Ebaso and 3 p.m. No.
You know, when playing against a team like Kotoko, you know, you don't talk much with the players because the players know that tax. They know that what that match will mean to them and what that game, because that game can change even their life, you know. So in this game, a coach, because when I was working with Maswell Kuniru, he told me when playing against Asofo and Kotoko, you don't need to talk to your players a lot. Why? Because they know.
Okay, Abdul Rahman Tijani, head coach, and my young apostles, and this seminar at Tujoche, Bokumasi Asante Roka, Uyasa, new players, and the Becassa players, no, Omunim and Faswa, and was so about Etia Santeko Konabunia and Faswa Ebaso. Now, House of Folk head coach, Bubaka Watara, and they all Romu Betum, now House of Folk coach, you know, and some pressure on the so Yentino.
Good preparation, no problem. Coming from the rules at home, everything is possible in football. We lose at home, why not you come down and win at outside? Everything is possible. We have confidence on this process because it's the league. League is 34 matches. Okay, now we play just 21. We have another 13 matches. 13 matches supposed to be 39 points. Yeah.
Okay, Entino, and no a coach Bubaka Watara, head coach Edema, House of Folk NOD and some Etujano. Na ye Kwama Sinko Atanasi, Calvin Momame, Bechem United, and performance Ebekosu Bechem Clan Sana game no, and so Etimiaba so happy hour no, but GFA Fonya introduce you into Bechem for say yes. We a side attraction into Remo Bechema. And the artists are who do or performing clans and a game no at me abasun to know your supporter Rawon Temna Kwajiwani and Sakran at 3 p.m. game no at me abaso coaches coach Kasim Mengo and our friends so ya we champion winna Omakasa area fa game no so ya trase 9:30 ya the more ebebro na charge follow omo ya gym work omo say yes omo mi omo body ni ntina no so no ya trase ya the more and so ebebro somebody efisam ya the besia na ya was Cinco na odi amano nsem na ba about 9:30 local news no more and so everybody Cinco
Orlando
etiefo no almost ebrene ya wodia.
All right, yes, Bena Samson, ye kwamana ni anama pay. Ye the following news ma ye tiefo live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, and I feel live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook and anama pay. Yes, I'm betting us latest amano nsema. As I want to me kanina no. Ye dim and so ma ye tiefo. Just say you didn't 70 PA from on the Abraham and pay. Now, I know I catch us a Bukayo Saka no, and so I play them Arsenal Wobokono. I won't consider Sabranton on better money, no contractor. A better son Obama Bukayo Saka, and so to son stay for Arsenal. Never be sweat to my credit on Arsenal Wobokono. One more Gide pass Arsenal future. And I feel just I want to so do with or met some magic trophies. I can say Premier League, no, and I feel you for Champions League, Nino, as Sabranton for Bukayo Osaka and some Mr. Chakran ideas official announcement to this around Bukayo Osaka and some Natimas and new contract and so on. Adam Asana Boboko and pay. You don't some Nadimate for Jumedia Swanino and so I Diapa. Now, Mammy found to this also Natimo almost one Najina Kono after international break now. Also, you for Champions League near Woodham and so no quarter finals and Yagra Kranasa quarter finals no. Also, Natimo.
almost one remember the team no and the team so their face so I dey simple no UEFA Champions League quarter final cinema and yagwa kwana dia tie and so this story bi ashase ba na sound story anu ashase ba na say our international break ayeti awuram dia tie and so this no room Brazil abante fonsa Gabriel Magalhaes ono and so na defender and so na the Arsenal banya kwanya and so na ni abante fonsa Vinicius Junior and for Rodrigo Wes omina no etim so na training dia ma Brazil na team no for be 2 weeks international for no e wo jire pass omo defender ye fonsa Gabriel Magalhaes no ebetim so na nya kwanya na wetim so na jina Vinicius Junior and for abante fonsa Rodrigo Wes so abro no so tim nya kwanya no be 2 weeks ade anim no wetim so na ni sa 2 players no and so wetim so training na yem fon to the sabrontia ye fonsa Lewis Kelly ono so no akwa piem so no England na one Jude Bellingham training our England national team na so ana fediatia and so ne san no mo France on sabrontia fonsa William Saliba and so na ni Kylian Mbappe ebetim so training international for jide pass o mu defenders o betim so na shia mad top players no Mbappe Rodrigo Goes ana for Vinicius Junior na no sa defenders na nyakwanya o mo tim so na ni sa players no ebetim so training to mo jide pass akwambia so bra o mo so na ni mad team na de boane e wo UEFA Champions League quarter finals ni no akwambia so mo kwanya o betim so na stop mad top players na no pai ye de sansam no en so na de matefo jibade so ni na no en so na de to de no sensemi na no ye de eno so ma etefo ena no pai en so na o jibade no so ye wura mo Barca na ye jumani bi de free Lamine Yamal player o si academy Barca team no wo de atuja se Liverpool team na UEFA Champions League no o ma team afu na kwambia so no Barca en so na favorite sample no o ma team so na de UEFA Champions League no ade asi wo na so wo se na o jide se Liverpool bola na o mo bona ehu na se no mo Salanom and Luis Diaz no Dominic Szoboszlai nom na o bola na nkofo ne ba na kwambia so afi na Liverpool en so no ebetin so na the Champions League na so abra Paris Saint-Germain yo ma from na team aboa ama Barca team no o mo chances of winning the Adea UEFA Champions League no team so na brighter and asma Lamine Yamal en so na dia to the na no pai ye de sansema de mamo e wo dwade so no se mfan to the Barca team no san Omanhene Madrid Omanhene the only team omo team so na ha Madrid ye pa na o se Madrid team no great team no o di to pass Omanhene Barca team no and so na ba just a place no ya na omo mentality different no se de bia no person Barca team no and so na prove say omo ye better the same Madrid bobo ko na ni sema Lamine Yamal dia tuja o enim sa fi UEFA Champions League Barca ebetin so na dia so na so na no pai ye de won sam na de mamo e wo jumade no so ye kan no Lamine Yamal amba be the first ever Spanish player in history ono so na team Arsenal enya fast na bro mo so awuram no national team na no pai ye de won sam mama be say the Spain team no omo so na nya player ono so team so no eye Muslim ono enso fast eno na die to de na no pai ye de sansam no enso na de mamo so ni na no enso ye de bonsa na say na fibo kotoa enso na ntime enkoda goal post no mo enfama Belgium na team no na yemfo to the finally over for the fibo kotoa enso team so na nya wuram e Belgium am national team na me no kasai ade se games so mo boy na no Run first Thibaut Courtois everything so available and some nadama the Red Devils of Belgium and Anapai ye don't want some nadama no and ye tribe Thibaut Courtois and ye busa goalkeeper and sana say and an say untimenya kwenya and some na the goal post no from Belgium and on see front to the say issues kakrebi and the team so na ba na say issues aba ni na no we team so na nya kwenya any players ni bi din ko manam say players ni bi wa oni wo for be past 2 years ni ade na ojitu mpaso ni players ni din komo no na nko ojitu mpaso nkebia case ni kura no anka akwa dani ade na nso ba no eno Sampa sila no as a players ni bi guso ene no issues ni ade na ojitu mpaso oba national team camp no wetin so nya kwanya ene ade se ni colleagues na shia ama nsema no abrante for Thibaut Courtois na esha no so ha ni na no wetin so aka ni na ama no wetimato no na ojitu mpaso players no issues are no obia woni na no obia nso etime dia na chomo enim sa psychologically ana fe mentally na no ade sa obetim so ngade atu omachi no ano mo so betim akoye adama Belgium na team na po no World Cup no obetim so qualify na sa Belgium team no anso no equal good players obetim so compete na po no World Cup ebe ko so no Mexico ana fe Canada ni United States of America ni na no o me fa sa Belgium betim qualify no mo so team compete at the highest level ana no per this answer no anso ngade mamo e jumade so no beka choza Enzo Fernandez so player e ma chance boboko no Roma the team ne consider so kwambia so o mo sa betima kanu sa betodwa sa na do Camavinga team sa do no Man City for no sanso na Liverpool na no o mo pe Eduardo Camavinga and the woman yes am the team no e betim so na prepare life after Brantia e friend say Eduardo Camavinga how me catch Enzo Fernandez or no e player we say kan and so the ma chance team no e player ma the team no e wo jide pass Enzo Fernandez na ba obetima babua e ma no ma so team akoye e de ma de boboko no me tisa chance team no e betim so na ja Enzo Fernandez aya 90 million euros no ma expect sa abante France Enzo Fernandez no o betim so na ja no asa na bia pa no betima kwa ono so team kwa ni na no enso na die to dwa na no pai ye de sansema de mamo na Pep Guardiola no pai me nya report sa or the 2 months it pai for them sa Paris Saint-Germain winga na ye fansa desire due akoda no modern boso ni wo de atum pai for them sa kwambia so no sa sama transfer no ni bia o mo kofa akoda na mra no mo se kan anfoma Manchester City boboko no eno na die to dwa ama de men se kan sa ye so de to pania ye fansa Chiki Bergis no no sporting director Man City boboko na ni no o pai no so na je tum Sampa akoda ni bobo atinya kupon ya duma sama transfer no ni bia ba se bia Man City boboko no o mo se betina kakoda na ye fansa desire do na no enso na die to dwa no pai ye de sanse mema mo e wo dwade so ni na no enso na die ba Xabi Alonso aye manager adema Bayern on for Leverkusen metisa obetima making the final decisions obetima so na to so badwa adema Bayern Leverkusen na se bia o run betima committee se busumi ye wo mi aneda eto so makom na duonu so March 27th na metisa openya fansa Xabi Alonso ebetima so na announce se obetima se ananse bia no betima fiti no akọ na metisa anse Leverkusen pay for no e wo jide pass openya e fansa ayen Xabi Alonso ebetima so na beyond 2026 no anso ye dia ba na no pai ye de won san na mamo e wo jumade so ko pamba e plan wo sia kan e de ma chance boboko na no pai mami infant to this abrantia no on team enjoy England national team namsa on se bona kwa kopra de me se kan za Chelsea tu no o mo so na America team no e go so asia kodana e fansa na ye ko pamba e likely sa kodano on team enjoy England national team namsa bona team so nya kwa kopra namsa o mo jide pass prano enya de se betima boa ama ko pamba so no e team so na join England national team na e no per this answer no e so na man wo jumade no so anso 40 player o se academy basa mete se sama transfer no ni bia o betima ajabrantia ye fansa anso 40 kwa manako o mo ejide pass akoda no de oban no wayan on timin to so enya bibi fufuro bia anso mfama basa otena so a enya de so betima na bia bo enti anso 40 sama transfer no ni bia ade no ya dan basa e betima so jan kwan mete se Inter Milan team no o mo no openya fansa Diego Simeone no anso na manager anasa openya fansa Simone Inzaghi ono so na manager hedma Inter team na din komo na likely so wura no e be sign contract extension until 2028 omo jide pass openya fansa mpono Simone Inzaghi ba no wa baba djuma Serie A ni adewaje afa UEFA Champions League final ina no wetin so na de omako omo jide pass wura ne tena e betima boa ama Inter team na no makoye enti adesa ngam pesa o new contract until 2028 anano pai ye de won san ngama wo popa mami info to this reporter e be to dia sempo no wono na be join Manchester United boboko no enya no krada omo jide pass akoda na fansa popa no enya sa time no mu hia no Manchester United team no e wo jide pass omo ideas no ene chese omo plans ni na no e different omo pe popa at the moment ani e de to dia anope ngede mamnamom popa enya offers e de free Saudi Arabia ni na no enso na dia banana pai ye de sanse mama mo na mami fo we entu meserebo tane din quarter na e former former player the Chelsea boboko no dia tuja time no mu sakan enso the Chelsea team no wo Chelsea training ground so Obama na dia na modern ball from pa Adea Akye ho se na Adea Akye training no dey say from mobile training ground so Chelsea onye serious kura na so ni na chi no would gira game na Chelsea Obama 100% performance and a branch of Adea Akye ebetim so ngadia mo se uba training ground so de ekoso no na manager na France Antonio Conte na nenye ho kwa na so anam sa wo de Adea Akye gina bo no ma Obama 100% performance intino na bed sa branch ya France Adea Akye ubetim so nga bench nam sa uko training ground so mode bon from nemom wo de ni gina ma na oyo best player and na bed sa Antonio Conte ebetim so nga bench Adea Akye ni na no ensama branch France dan drink water de atodo na no pay gina so na ye the foreign news na sia Nyankopon ya aduma 9:30 ya baba na ye the more abramo.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing. But nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer. Here's Kwame and Yaw. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having